Salvete omnes! In this lesson, we will learn the future tense. Before watching this video, please read pages 29 through 33 in your textbook. This lesson will cover the following topics: future tense, time and aspect, and forming third conjugation future active indicative verbs. Just like English, Latin has a future tense. The future tense is used to express actions that occur in, you guessed it, the future. In terms of aspect, or completedness of an action, the future tense is inherently incomplete or ongoing. To translate future tense verbs from Latin into English, we supply the words will or shall. Before learning how to form third conjugation future active indicative verbs, let's review how to form third conjugation present active indicative verbs, using the verb mitto mittere, send, as our exemplum. Mitto, mittis, mittit, mittimus, mittitis, mittunt. To transform these from present to future, all you have to do is change the I at the beginning of each ending to an E, with the exception of the first person singular, which has an entirely different ending. First person singular, mittam, I will send. Second person singular, mittes, you singular will send. Third person singular, mittet, he, she, they, it will send. First person plural, mittemus, we will send. Second person plural, mittetis, you plural will send. Third person plural, mittent, they will send. Say the forms with me: mittam, mittes, mittet, mittemus, mittetis, mittent. Again, mittam, mittes, mittet, mittemus, mittetis, mittent. Now let's practice conjugating third conjugation future active indicative verbs. Conjugate pono in the second person singular future active indicative form. The correct form is pones. Conjugate duco in the first person plural future active indicative form. The correct form is ducemus. Conjugate scribo in the third person plural future active indicative form. The correct form is scribent. Now let's try parsing. Remember, to parse a verb is to identify its person, number, tense, voice, and mood. Parse winkit. Winkit is third person singular present active indicative. Parse regetis. Regetis is second person plural future active indicative. Parse curam. Curam is first person singular future active indicative. Parse emimus. Emimus is first person plural present active indicative. Excellent work! Now you know another tense. Remember to practice your forms consistently. This may take the form of writing out verb paradigms, conjugating all your vocabulary words, or playing games on Magistrula. We have many more forms to learn, and regular practice will make reading so much easier. So go forth and memorize these endings. Waleta!